Courier rating plays a key role in their work. Let's examine what it affects and how to keep it at a high level. Key factors influencing the courier's rating: actual hours, scheduled hours, order acceptance rate, meaning total assigned orders and total accepted orders. Special hours will be displayed in the performance tab instead of the calendar. Experience: the number of weeks in the first order in the Glovo app, provided at least one order is completed per week. Access to the calendar depends on your rating. The rating is updated weekly on Mondays and determines the ability to book the shift on Thursday at 4 p.m. Shifts open every 30 minutes, starting from badge number 1, top courier rating, and badge number 12, lowest courier rating. How is the rating distributed? A rating starting from 1 to 10 based on the performance metrics, rating 11 for the new users, a shift booking available at 6 p.m., and rating 12 for the couriers who have stopped working with Glovo. Glovo Gold or a Diamond Courier, the batch number will be displayed in your profile as a number 13 or the 14, allowing earlier shift booking than other couriers. Calendar access exclusively to the Glovo Plus users. Note that try to aim for the batches number 14 and 13, vice versa as a 1 or 2. Rating freeze and how does it work? The function allows the couriers to notify about the planned vacation absence, which freezes the current rating and excludes you from evaluation for the 1 or 2 weeks during the planned absence. What are the requirements? Couriers must be active and not new. Absence must be scheduled for a full week, meaning from Monday to Sunday for 1 or 2 weeks. Couriers cannot work during the absence period. Before planning another vacations, you have to work following week, and during that rating periods, couriers cannot receive or book active sessions. A very important thing to know is that if you request a rating freeze, Glovo will not be able to cancel it. Use this option only when it's necessary.